Hello. Do you need parts that perform as good as they look? Our custom precision die casting, CNC machining, and sheet metal services give you exactly what you need, fast and on budget. We work with high-grade materials like aluminum, steel, stainless steel, titanium, brass, copper, and engineered plastics, offering everything from bending to full fabrication, with clean cuts, smooth finishes, tight tolerances, and complete assembly, just how you want them. See the difference in our craftsmanship. Welcome to message us now for a free quote and sample consultation.